Family fashion order.
Three building.
This is the
Hall.
kitchen.
This kitchen, then this floor.
1, 2, 3.
This one not ready. Yeah, this one another door.
What is this?
This hall.
For? Okay. Access for here.
This is a kitchen.
So this is the
Living room.
living room.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 by 4. This is AC is here. Balcony is here. A view outside. Backside of the building. This one is 9 by 4. Kitchen access for living room. This is the hallway. We have 3 rooms. Guest toilet. 1 by 1.5 by 3. This is the first room. And that's the first room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 5. And attached wardrobe. Then the second room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 5. With balcony. And viewing here. Then AC is centralized or separate?
Free chiller.
Sorry?
Free chiller.
No.
Toilet.
But if system seva will do because everything
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 5 with wardrobe. Let's go.
This is 47, right?
42.
42.
No discount, my friend?
No, 42.
42 plus commission.
1 month.
Or commission is already there.
Sorry?
42 plus commission or 42
Yeah.
is already there?
No, no.